check it when we come in. So we make sure that our driver be drive safety and make sure that they don't like some of our company don't check about the staff can drive safety or not. But our company will check it. And so I will that the company has your own units that make consumer easy and great new experience, especially about the price and the service. But this part I will talk later. So we talk about the spot. We has four like strength, fast and softness. And for the our weakness, price of delivery some more expensive than other express company and low rate when we have a big promotion. And for opportunity, we will add a marketing. I will add market opportunity for our staff that our staff can be grow when they start uh, with us and work with us, and especially we give a chance to student this and the last is trend our expect in area that mean that a lot of spend opening new surrounding mean we have 25 city and province, so make the customer will be secure and feel comfortable.
So did you forget to show us your SWOT analysis? Each one SWOT. Hello, Rati, where are you? Rati, what's wrong? So, does anyone hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, okay. So, Rati, so where
I
is
think
she?
maybe connection.
Oh, okay. So, Silavan, since you are here, so do you want to say something?
Yes, teacher.
So while we are waiting for tea, so let us Silavan then, because I do not know what to say, but asking you. So Silavan, can you tell me why do you come up with an idea of creating a delivery service? Maybe I missed that information, but can you say something again?
She already mentioned about it, teacher.
Yes. So did you remember what was that?
Bong Chumran is my team, so professor.
Yeah, since they have a problem with the Rati connection, can I just start my part? Do you think it is okay?
Did she finish her point yet, Rati?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Sure.
I think it's better to continue. Otherwise, we will miss information then. During once again during our wait, can you say something again about your purpose of having that service?
Do you want me to say or Bong Chumran to say, professor?
Either one, either Silavan or Chamran.
You can start it, Silavan.
Okay. We come up with the delivery service because we noted and identified that we could make delivery service more convenient for people and business owners. As I mentioned, that we see that the driving and the the way that they calling or checking the location with the customer is kind of annoying for customer, and we note that we noted that if we can come up with an application where people can buy not only one purpose but they can get food, they can do with document, they can do with product. So I think that people could more likely to stick with that application rather than other application.
Okay, thank you. I want you to say that again is in order to remind your listeners that you are trying to promote your service, your delivering service, so then they do not forget what was that. Okay, thank you, Reza, for your talk, for your explanations. Now the tea is coming. We can continue from her part. After that, you, Jamran, you can continue
Hello,
from
teacher.
her. Yeah, hello, Rati. Where were you?
I have a problem with internet, teacher.
That's why when I was talking to you, you kept silent.
Yes.
Okay,
So I
now
will
$1 to $2. So why don't we use the free delivery and increase some of amount to the seller?
I know that, but because for the food panda, I will know that we don't the food panda don't think about the price because they will be cut 30% from their cost of their corporation. So if the corporation want to increase the price or not, they don't care about that. Like I can example about the eGet. eGet also is our online shop to put their product to app will be increased, not original price like 1 or 2. If the drink, I think that drink or food will be not increase high, but for the product delivery, I will be increase $2 or $3 from the original price. Because I work in the field, I will know that our shop, I working in shop online, they will be increased $2 or $1 or $3 for free delivery. We cannot do because I mentioned that for the customer can choose if they want to be a cut percentage from the our product.
So what the actual thing that you get from the seller?
Yes, because I'm work on that, I will know different kind of delivery. Sometimes they just only high the service and free delivery for their customer. Sometimes the delivery service will cut percentage from their product. So that make like the customer when they see the on app like will be a free delivery, so make them will be happy. This point I will.
I mean, what do you get from the seller if you're just like delivery the stuff for them by not charging them anything? What do you get from them?
Yes. I know that because I already use the delivery service, and also I just mentioned that I'm also work with this, so I will know because like I mentioned we have different kind depend on we are conversation with between cooperation between our customer and customer. We cannot the original price.
Okay, probably the teacher did not get Resa's idea, Resa's questions.
Yes, cha.
Yeah, probably she doesn't get your point. But maybe we can clarify the later, I think, because I do not want to delay to the next presenter. Jamran, please tell me how long will it take for your presentations? Thank you very much for your part. If we have time, we can continue your presentation, your slide. I mean, questions to your part. So Jamran, please tell me how long will it take?
រទ្ធីអានេះផាតរបស់បងខ្ញុំគិតថាអាហ្នឹងលេចបន្ទាប់ពីខ្ញុំតាផាតខ្ញុំដូចជាធ្វើមុន right
ផាត
design
បងឯងក្រោយតើបងផាតរបស់មុន
I think designer should be the first.
Okay, so Venerable Samnang, how long will you take? Please tell me because I have 7 minutes left.
I think not.
Teacher, I have 7 slides, teacher.
7 slides. Okay, so you
yes.
Can you finish it before 7 minutes or more than that?
Okay, teacher.
Just let me know because if you finish less than that, we can continue. But if you cannot finish, we can. So, do you wish to talk now or wait until you join me again?
All about.
I cannot hear you, Venerable Samnang.
Hello.
Yes. So, do you wish to start
Hello,
now?
hello, teacher.
Or wait until you connect to this again?
We should reconnect again, please.
Oh, okay then. So everyone, I'm sorry for the day you have to get into the room again.